आज की इस वीडियो में हम एक्सपोजिटरी राइटिंग को डिस्कस करेंगे।
जो पानी से नहाएगा वो लिबास बदलेगा, जो पसीने से नहाएगा वो एक दिन के चिया से बदलेगा।
Guys, you really need to see this reel. It's trending everywhere. And honestly, I have been scrolling for the last 30 minutes and I did not realize how fast time is going.
Absar, not now please. I am in middle of the online match. If I lose now, my whole team will blame me. Gaming needs full focus. You know.
Turn your both keep and voice down. I am attending online lectures and teacher explain important concept. Otherwise, I have watched these whole videos again later.
You all are too serious. This meme is very funny. I have been laughing alone, but it feels me strange. We are together and still not talking.
I mean, we are talking just not face to face. Everything is happen online now. That's how life is work online.
Wait, what just happened? My game just got stuck and then disconnected. This is so frustrating. I was about to win this match.
Why is nothing loading on my phone? WhatsApp, Instagram, everything is got stuck.
On off, my lecture just stopped in this middle. I was understand everything and all gone. Please search a problem.
Guys, I think that internet is gone. We are officially disconnected from the world. How will we survive?
Joking. And check the internet. Maybe it's just a small issue.
I are ready to test it 10 times, but it's still not working. Why does this happen at the first time?
Try turning your phone upside down. Maybe signals will come from the ground.
I feel so strange right now. I did not realize how much I depend on my phone until this moment comes. I keep checking it again and again, even though I know it's normal.
Same. I used to play games for hours, but now I don't know what to do.
For me, this is internet important for study, but I think also become depend on it.
It's scary. We are so used to the internet that we forgot how to live without it and enjoy simple things.
Hey guys, why are you sitting so quiet today? Mostly I see you busy with your phone and doing something. What happens?
The internet is not working and it feels like life has stopped. We don't know what to do without it.
Oh wow, that's interesting. In our time we don't have internet, so yet we don't lose like this and don't bored.
Really? But how did you spend your time without phone and games?
In our time we spend time each other talking and playing games, so we don't bored in our times. But today everything depend upon internet, studies, communications, entertainment, everything depend on it. That's true, but there is a difference between using something and controlling the internet.
Controlling us, I never think about it.
Yep, there is a concept by a book, The Trust and Inspire. The teacher teaches us about the how can we control by the internet and teaching and mostly spend times with others. I think it's a very good idea. How can we spend time each others and we by this we control the internet and the other ideas by sharing this.
So you mean we should not depend on the internet all the time?
Exactly. Today internet is gone. It's depend on you how to spend your time and choose your goal, and it's much more. It is depend on you mostly.
You know what? We should try something different instead of just sitting and complaining.
Like what? I am not able to do anything without internet.
We can play game together like cricket, even small games. At least will be better than doing nothing.
Yes, finally some real action. Let's see if we can survive without internet.
But this is actually more fun than my online game.
And the best part is we spend time together, not on the screens.
It's really relax. My mind is not stressed like before.
See, real life has better moments. No buffing, no lag, just pure fun.
We were so busy online that we forgot to enjoy real life.
This is what just inspire me. Just yourself to manage this time. It's not the internet.
The problem was not the internet, it was how we are using it.
I am proud of you all. Today the era of the technology. You mostly gain by technology. Technology is very important, but it's not very important by the discussion we spend each time.
Yes, you are right. We should not depend on it completely. We should use it wisely.
Always remember this: trust yourself more than your devices. Real happiness comes from the yourself, not your virtual devices.
Guys, internet is back. Everything is working again.
Finally, I can check my notification now. Do we really need to go back to the same routine?
Or should we continue enjoying this moment a little longer?
Agreed. Today we learned that when we spend time together, we enjoy more than our screens.
The film shows life without the internet, where people first struggle but then enjoy real interactions. Through Trust and Inspire, it teaches that true happiness comes from real relationships, not technology.